From ActionableOps, here's how to author In-Repo SKILL.md files for Hermes Agent, so your reusable workflows ship with the package instead of living only on your machine. There are two places a skill can live. User local skills go in .hermes/skills, are personal, and are created with skill manage action create. In-Repo skills go in the Hermes Agent repository under skills/category/name, are committed, and ship with the package. This episode covers the In-Repo path. Every SKILL.md needs Frontmatter. It must start with 3 dashes as the first bytes, no leading blank line. It closes with a new line, 3 dashes, new line. It parses as YAML. 2 fields are required, name and description. Description must be under 1024 characters. The body after the closing dashes must be non-empty. Peer-matched skills add version, author, license, and metadata with tags and related skills. These are not enforced by the validator, but every peer skill in software development has them. Omit them and your skill sticks out. Name should be lowercase with hyphens, under 64 characters. Description should start with use when and describe the trigger class, not the one task. Size matters. Description is capped at 10^24 chars. The full SKILL.md is capped at 100,000 chars. Peer skills sit at 8 to 14,000 chars. If you push past 20,000, split into references subdirectories and point to them from the main file. The workflow is 6 steps. Survey peers in your target category by listing the directory and reading 2 to 3 existing skills. Draft with write file to the correct path. Validate locally with a Python snippet, checking Frontmatter, name, description, and size. Git add and commit on the active branch. Note that the current session will not see the new skill until a fresh session starts. This is expected, not a bug. Editing existing In-Repo skills is straightforward. Small fixes use skill manage action patch. Major rewrites use write file for the whole file. Supporting files go in references, templates, or scripts subdirectories. Always commit the edit, because In-Repo skills are source, not runtime state. The current session will not see changes until a fresh session. This is expected, not a bug. For more Hermes how-tos, go to ActionableOps.com.